Osho says that the second sutra, don't be consistent. Consistency is a logical phenomenon. When I say don't be consistent, I mean you need not remain confined to your past. That's what consistency is. You have done something today, tomorrow life will change, and you have to repeat the same thing to be consistent. Tomorrow will not be today. Today is not your yesterday. The answers that were adequate yesterday are no longer adequate today. Consistency means that it is always yesterday, and that has to dominate. It is always the past that has to dominate the present. That's what I mean by consistency. You will never grow because your youth has to be consistent with your childhood, and your old age has to be consistent with your youth. That means you will remain childish your old life. That's how people are. The average mental age of human beings is only 12 years. This is what happens if you enforce consistency. In childhood, a few answers were given to you. They were good for the time being, but only for the time being. Any more than that, you would not have understood. But as you grow, those answers become out of date. Those answers become confinements, imprisonments. They become chains. You have to constantly throw them away so that you can remain fresh, so that you can respond to reality as it is. But this is how it goes on happening. I say one thing, you understand something else. I say one thing, you hear something totally different. Your minds are so full of your own thoughts that I say, don't be consistent, and you hear, don't be constant. You have heard something which I have not said. Your question has come out of your own idea. You know, at least you believe you know, that the truth cannot change. Who told you, and how do you know? Do you know truth? You have heard it being said to you that truth never changes, it remains forever constant. Is it your experience? Have you known anything in life which always remains constant? Have you known anything, I say, in life which remains constant? If you look at life, everything is changing. If you watch life, then Heraclitus is right. You cannot step in the same river twice because the river is constantly flowing, changing. Old Heraclitus says, the only thing that never changes is change. Only change is constant. Otherwise, everything is changing.